In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dollar sign in Google Sheets. Whether you're polishing a budget, preparing an invoice, or making a report easier to read. Adding a dollar sign is a quick format change that makes your numbers clear and professional. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. You can use any existing sheet or a new one. If you're working with values you copied from another source, keep in mind that sometimes numbers can paste in as text. When that happens, formatting may not apply the way you expect. A simple way to spot this is if the numbers align differently than others or don't behave in formulas. As long as your entries are recognized as numbers, you're good to go. Next, select the cell or range of cells you want to format. You can click and drag to highlight a block of cells, select an entire column by clicking its letter at the top, or use keyboard shortcuts to grab multiple ranges. Selecting only what you need keeps the rest of your sheet unchanged. Now, look to the menu bar at the top and click Format. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over Number to reveal the formatting options. This is where Google Sheets stores all the display styles for your data, from plain numbers to dates, percentages, and more. From the list that appears, choose Currency. As soon as you select it, your highlighted cells will switch to a currency display. You'll see the dollar sign added automatically, along with standard currency formatting like commas for thousands and two decimal places. For example, a value like 1,000 will display as $1,000. It's important to note that this change affects how the numbers look, not their actual values. Your calculations, formulas, and totals will continue to work exactly the same, just with a cleaner presentation. If a value was $1,000 before, it still equals 1,000 for every sum or formula you've built. If you're formatting a large data set, it can help to scan through your sheet after applying the change to make sure everything looks consistent. Numbers that were stored as text may stand out because the currency format won't apply to them. Converting those to numbers will let the formatting kick in, and that's all you need. Open your sheet, select your cells, go to Format, hover over Number, and choose Currency. In just a few clicks, your data looks polished, readable, and ready to share. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.